Hello, Internet people. Today on Urban Prospectors, I'm going to talk to you about making deals on Facebook Marketplace, both buying and selling. I use Facebook Marketplace to source a lot of products. I sell tools online, and I source batches of tools on Facebook Marketplace. Now, when I go to a location that is selling tools, a lot of times I'll extend it and let them know that I buy other stuff, and it leads into a lot of other opportunities. The last time I ran out and I bought some tools, I'm here in Kansas City. I ran over to Independence, just answered one random ad first thing in the morning on Facebook, let the person know that I was available as soon as they were. They said, come on over. And so I went over, and they had 5-gallon buckets full of tools. They had milk crates full of tools, toolboxes, and I ended up picking up a box full of wrenches from them. I gave them 20 bucks. From there, I asked them if they had any trading cards, and they said, yeah, they did have some, and they went out and found a box that had about 1,000 Magic the Gathering cards, a couple Yu-Gi-Oh, and some Versus. Magic the Gathering, I've sold plenty of. I'm pretty versed in it. I've played it, and looking through it, there was a couple World Championship decks from about 25 years ago, and a bunch of stuff from 6th edition, 7th edition, Mirage, Weatherlight, Apocalypse, Urza's, a whole bunch of old vintage stuff. And so, building a pile, she said, she'd take 10 bucks for all these Magic cards, including some belt buckles and other miscellaneous stuff that I put in a separate pile. So I gave her 30 bucks for everything. So here's some of the Magic cards that I picked up, and I turned around and posted a bunch of these directly on Facebook Marketplace and sold them for $75. They went really quick. I took a good video of them, showed everybody what they were expecting. Now, I did skim off about 100 cards out of these, and a bunch of these are just cards that are common stock for people. They're worth $1 to $3 a piece, but in the long run, they have quite a bit of value. So when I met up with the person on Facebook Marketplace to sell the cards, I had another binder full of rares and a bunch of artwork cards that I had put together. This is all about presentation. When I showed up and talked to the guy, I asked him if he would be interested in any more cards, and pulled the binder out. He looked through it, and he was pretty excited about everything. It was loaded full of rares, a bunch of mythics, and then a couple hundred art cards. I told him to go ahead and make me an offer on it, and he offered me $100. I told him I was happy to accept that. He was pretty thrilled about that. So I made $175 off of that Facebook Marketplace sell. One key note about this is you can always sell some product to a customer, or you could sell a lot of product, or you could sell a lot of product to a lot of customers, and that's what we want to do. We want to sell a lot of product, not just when we meet up with somebody. Do you have other stuff to offer that they'd be interested in? I actually have a lot more Magic and a lot more Pokemon that I could be posting and sharing with these people if I was wanting to get rid of it at these prices. But what I do is I stock this stuff up, I load it up, make it look presentable, and make a post about it, and I gain all my initial investment back just from putting rares and ultra rares and foils and stuff together in a presentable manner. Let me know what some of your tips are when you're doing your collections. Do you sell stuff off? How do you trade this off? Do you talk to local game stores? Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys the next time.